All right. About to start our episode here. All right. Welcome to Rocket Cuda. It was episode 2, I think. Because episode 2 was supposed to be last week, but we had issues with bad weather. Now it's still really cold, and the sun's going down, and we're not at the airfield. We're at the bunker. We are at where all the design work goes and some of the flying. None of the good flying. And, well, anyway, so here what we have is we have Rocket Cuda version 2. This one is using a D-sized rocket. It's capable of an E-sized rocket. I don't know if we'll be doing that today or not. We're going to try the D out. And this has an igniter on board. What this is going to do is this is going to let me tell you guys what the future holds. So, without further ado, let's have some ado. Alright, so what we have, the Mavic taken off. Come on. What's that, a warning? Oh. Alright, so we got a very balanced Cuda. This is where Lane recommended I balance this one. This one has not flown at all yet. So, what's going to happen is all right stick. Wow, that sounds worse than your truck.
It's hard to do.
Yeah, so what's going to happen is when I move the stick, it's going to be just a regular Elevon Cuda. This switch right here is for, it will ignite the rocket. The airplane has no other means of thrust, so let's hope she comes down close to home. Yeah, so here we go. So it's always a good idea to not plug your rocket in until after you turn the aircraft on, because sometimes you'll get a little jolt of electricity when you turn everything on. Everything cycles, ailerons move around and stuff like that. You don't want that to happen and burn your hand. Alright, speaking of burning things, let's do this. Is everybody ready?
Ready.
Recording?
Recording.
Recording? Alright, Rocket Cuda. 3, 2, 1. Rocket Cuda catching on fire.
Well, you said let's burn something.
Yeah, well, we... Okay.
Got a new igniter?
Yeah, I got a new igniter. So that didn't work. We actually caught the grass on fire. Yeah, we may have caught the grass on fire with some other projects. Alright, so we're gonna go grab another igniter. We're gonna try this again. A little grass fire never hurt anybody. Okay. Let me try this again. New igniter.
Flame's already on, right?
Yeah. Ooh.
Sure nothing was touching?
We melted the plug a little bit.
Wonder if it's putting out too much current.
No, I mean, this is the same setup that I've launched other rocket planes off of.
That one's not in.
And that's got to be it right there. Okay, we're gonna go for round 2. Get it off the grass. My sunglasses back on. This shouldn't end badly at all. All right, test 2. You recording?
Recording.
Okay.
Wow, that was really hard to track.
Reverse charge. Reverse charge is a little bigger than on the last one. Airplane's a lot heavier and flies a lot worse without the rocket power. Wasn't nearly as impressed as I thought I'd be with that D size. I think the C size flew better. You taking pictures of it out there? Why so beepy?
You're missing some stuff.
I'm missing some stuff? Alright, well, we're gonna go check on it in a second. So I'm gonna let the walk of shame be used to explain what's gonna happen from this point forward. Rocket Cuda, which may or may not have exploded. Oh, wow!
No,
Dude.
There's no may not.
No, yeah, let's end. Woo! Yeah. So I didn't do apparently good enough job of capping that rocket. It's reverse charge. Rocket Cuda version 2. It's a oh man, I don't think we got anything else out here. All right.
The top part.
Huh?
Hatch.
Yeah, the hatch is definitely gone. Man, that exploded like crazy.
Need more cowbell.
Oh, yeah. No wonder it didn't want to fly right?
Well,
Oh,
here, we'll just
jeez.
take this one off and put it on the top.
Well, that explains why it was flying so bad on the way home. Okay, so this is actually a good thing. I was afraid that the extra weight was going to make this thing glide like a rock. That's not why it was gliding like a rock. It was gliding like a rock because the airplane is no longer an airplane. It is a squish.
It's an ornithopter.
All right, so let me see this real quick. So you may have noticed this isn't a regular Cuda. With Lane's permission from lanesplanes.com, I've been building Dollar Tree foam Cudas for testing purposes because what we're gonna do is really, really dumb, which is why Lane gave me permission to do it. So I've been hacking my own Cudas. Hacking is really a good explanation of what this thing is. But also I've been making my own Cudas because I don't want to ruin good ones through this testing. We are going to attempt to do something never done before. We are going to attempt a 300-mile-an-hour rocket Cuda. It sounds really dumb because it is really dumb. But what we're going to do is eventually this will be a balsa Cuda. We're going to go up through the stages. We're going to see the limit of the foam board Cuda, which reverse charges will bring those to an end real quick. Anyway, so we're going to be doing the foam board Cudas will be for all of our testing. And once we've gotten to the point where we trust how we're going to fire them off, what size, what weight, all that stuff, then we're going to move on to the normal foam Cuda. We're going to take the foam Cuda and we're going to use our own rockets. My friend Adam will be building rocket motors. He's already started testing. If we have footage of that, then we'll cut to that right now. Hopefully we cut to that right now.
I'll see if I've got some footage.
Yeah, if he's got some footage, we'll cut to that right now. And just in case, we'll cut to it again right now. Hey, remember that first time I crashed a foam Cuda? We'll cut to that one right now.
Woo! Brakes!
Okay, we're done. So,
delete that 17 seconds.
yes. Edit point.
Yeah.
So, we're gonna take the custom sugar rockets and we're gonna push those as hard as we can. We're gonna go as fast as we can, and we're gonna find the terminal velocity of a foam Cuda. When the foam Cuda falls apart in midair due to speed, then we're gonna move on to the balsa Cuda. And hopefully, if this all goes as planned, which it never does, if this all goes as planned, this October, since it's now 2018, we're gonna be attempting if they let us do it, a 300-mile-an-hour pass at Apache Pass at the Ice House flying. What we're gonna do, we're not launching it like we did today. This will be an air launch. We'll be dropping it off an airplane that I've designed that I'm calling the Mother Bear. And let's show a picture of the Mother Bear right here. So we got a picture of the Mother Bear right here. That's what it's gonna be. We're gonna carry the airplane up into the air, release it, and then go for broke. I don't know if we're going to go 300. I don't know if it's going to KO and become shrapnel. I don't know what it's going to do, but it's going to be a really fun journey. And if you guys don't mind, like this video, subscribe to this video, share it with your friends. If you want to see me do really dumb things like I did today. Thank you, and have a Happy New Year.